Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I am back here with yet another video of unboxing this ASUS NVIDIA 3060 Ti graphics card. As you know guys, I am doing a project on creating an ultimate astrophotography image processing rig so that you have ultimate image processing power for your astrophotography image processing computer that you have. As you know guys, I have been doing a lot of unboxing to make this supercomputer or this amazing image processing rig. So guys, if you have not watched these videos, I will put the link of the videos above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So ensure that guys you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or specifications that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, before we move further with the unboxing, let us see what is there on the top of the box and what are the information which is provided on top of the box. This is the graphics card made by ASUS. It is an overclock edition. As you know guys, whenever you buy an overclock edition, whenever you overclock your GPUs, it will generate more heat. Whenever you buy an overclock edition of these GPUs, it will come with a better cooling system, better heat sinks and everything so as to keep your graphics card cooler, and it has a better cooling system implemented inside. So as you can see guys, it comes with the twin fan cooling system with a better and bigger heat sinks for your GPU so as for you guys to be able to overclock this GPU without problem. As you can see guys, this has an internal memory of 8GB with memory type of GDDR6. So as you can see guys, this is the model of 3060 Ti. This is the NVIDIA graphics card with GeForce RTX experience. As also you know guys, this is an LHR version of graphics card, so it comes with a lower hash rate. So this graphics card is not good for mining if you are going to use this graphics card for mining. So as to discourage the miners to use this graphics card for mining, the NVIDIA has now brought a new version of the graphics card with low hash rate. As you can see guys, at the bottom of this graphics card, it comes with an NVIDIA Ampere architecture, which is the latest version of architecture for this NVIDIA type graphics card. This comes with the ray tracing technology and DLSS, which will help you download or load your graphics for all your gamings on dynamic basis and need basis very fast and very quickly. It also is compatible with ASUS Aura Sync technology, so it comes with an RGB lighting which can be controlled by your motherboard as well. So don't worry guys, if you do not have this technology on your motherboard, it is still supported. The lights will still be turned on. It is just that you will not be able to control the lightings, but it will come with the default lighting structure that it has. So let us see guys what is there on the side of the box. As you can see on the side of the box, it comes with the branding as well. On the other side of the box as well, it comes with the branding. There is nothing more. On the top of the box, it is the same things. It comes with the GeForce RTX 3060 Ti branding. There is no more information other than this logo. At the bottom of the box, what it says, it comes with the system requirement. So minimum system requirements that it comes with is an 8-pin supplementary power supply. So to power this graphics card guys, you need minimum 8-pin power supply. So this is there on the side of the box. Furthermore on the side of the box, it says that it is supporting DirectX 12. So this is what you have on the side of the box. Let us see on the back side of the box what it has to say. On the top of the box, it says it is made by ASUS. It comes with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti technology with limited warranty of 3 years. So here it comes with an cooling technology. It is explaining what cooling technology that it is using. It is an axial technology fan design, so it comes with an axial cooling system. So your fan will be rotated at its axis, not at horizontal level. So as you can see, it is using a space grade lubricant so as to have a minimum noise from the fan, so as to keep your noise level for this graphics card to the minimum level. It also comes with a unique Shroud Design, so it comes with a gold and silver faceplates and add a touch flare, and a fully customized RGB feature on the shredder allow the flexibility to sync it with the range of components. So what it says basically is it comes with an ARGB technology, so you will be able to control the lighting on this graphics card. It will give the beautiful lightings, and you can have a different patterns of lighting depending upon the motherboard if that is supported. It also comes with the software suite that will help you tweak the power and the overclocking features that it provides so as to give the higher clock frequency and better performance. So key features that it gives it is a second generation ray tracing technology core that it comes with. It has a third generation tensor cores, PCIe Express generation 4 is supported, Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate is supported. It comes with a video memory type of GDDR6, NVIDIA DLSS, NVIDIA GeForce experience, NVIDIA G-Sync experience, NVIDIA GPU boost technology, game ready drivers so as to give you an ultimate gaming experience. Vulkan RT API, OpenGL 4.6 is supported, DisplayPort 1.4a is supported, and HDMI version 2.1 is supported, SDCP 2.3 version is supported, and it is VR ready. So as you can see guys, it comes with the 3 DisplayPort and 2 HDMI ports. As you can see on the screen, it comes with the twin fan technology so as to give you a better cooling. As you know guys, this is an overclock edition. So what other features this NVIDIA Ampere architecture provides? It is a new streaming microprocessor, so it will help you stream faster using this NVIDIA Ampere structure. It comes with the new ray tracing core so as to load your games faster than before in a dynamic way. It has a tensor cores. It will help you execute a complex algorithms very easily. It comes with a game ready driver so as to give you an ultimate gaming experience which is very stable and very smooth. GeForce experience also helps you capture the games on the runtime basis in a very smooth and optimal way. NVIDIA shadow play technology lets you capture and share the best of the gaming moments. So these are all the software technologies that this NVIDIA graphics card supports as well. So this is it guys, this is what you have on the top of the box. Let us open the box and see what's inside. Let's open the seal of the box from the side first. Once the seal is open, let's open the box one by one and remove the components from inside. So inside the box, it also comes inside a bigger box. So this is a black nice box with the rainbow logo of the lion. So this is a nice black big box that it comes inside. So there is nothing more on the box, just the logo at the center. This is an ASUS overclock 3060 Ti graphics card. So this is one of the latest version of the graphics card which is available as of now in the market. Now let us open the box and see what's inside. So when you first open the box, the topmost thing that you will see is some of the documentation. So this is an ASUS documentation. This comes with the guarantee card as well and some of the card for this overclock feature and this rainbow light feature that it comes with. It comes with the card. It comes with a thank you card as well, and this is ultimately your user manual or guide card. This will contain all the information on how to set up this graphics card and how to power it correctly and how to do an overclocking and everything. So if you want, you guys can read through this, but as you know guys, I'll be doing another video on how to set up this graphics card and connect this to the motherboard and power it correctly. So ensure that you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on any new videos. So for now, I will keep the documentations aside. Let's see what's inside the box as well. So here on the top you can see it is nicely packed in this thin transparent cover and it is covered with a top box so as to keep it safe. Now let us remove the top cover. So as you can see guys, this is the instructions that is also printed on the box so as to give you the guidance on how to unbox this graphics card. So you have to remove first the top plate or top plastic covering that it has. So I will remove it from the side. So this will reveal your graphics card itself. So we will remove the graphics card for now and keep it aside. Let us see what is there else in the box. There is nothing more in the box as of now, so we'll keep the box aside for now. And so these are the two things that comes inside this graphics card box. So as I told you guys, I will be doing another video on how to set this up and how to power this graphics card correctly. So I will keep the documentation aside for now and let us see the physical specifications of this graphics card. As you know guys, this is one of the latest version of the graphics card, so it is big and huge, and this is also an overclock edition, so it comes with a better cooling technology. So it is a longer card and thicker card, as you can see from the side of this graphics card, guys. On the top of the graphics card you can see there is an 8-pin power connector. This is how you power your graphics card. On the front side you have twin fans, and it has a big huge heat sink inside, which adds to the weight of this graphics card, which provides better cooling to the graphics card whenever you use it for overclocking. At the bottom you can see there is a PCIe port. This goes into your PCIe slot of the motherboard. So this is a Generation 4 PCIe port, so it will provide higher speed when you connect to a Generation 4 supported motherboard. On the side, as you can see, guys, it supports at least 5 display. It has 3 display port and 2 HDMI port. So display port is version 1.4a and HDMI port is 2.1 version. So let us see at the back of the graphics card. It comes with the ASUS branding and some of the serial number. It is a metal plate at the back. It provides a concrete structure to this graphics card, so whenever it is overheated, your motherboard or the graphics card board, it's not gonna get damaged. This backside plates, it's gonna support it, and also it duals the role of the heatsink, so it will keep your graphics card cooler. So this is it, guys. This is the physical specifications of the graphics card. Now let us see some of the technical specifications. As per the technical specification goes, this is an NVIDIA 3060 Ti graphics card. This uses an NVIDIA GPU version 3060 Ti. This is made by ASUS. As per the processor specification goes, it has 4864 CUDA cores. It has a base clock frequency of 1755 MHz. When you overclock this frequency, it can go up to 1785 MHz. The memory size that it comes with is 8GB DDR6 version with a memory bus of 256-bit. It supports PCI Express Generation 4, so PCIe 4.0 slot, PCI Express 4.0 slot on your motherboard is going to support this graphics card as well. It comes with 3 display ports and 2 HDMI ports. The maximum resolution that it can support is 7680 to 4320. Minimum energy requirement or the power supply to power this graphics card is recommended to be 750 watt. So guys, it's not going to use whole of the 750 watt, it's going to use around 200 watts or 250 watts around, but it is always nice to have a higher power supply just in case it requires during the overclock and higher power. So the minimum power or energy requirement or PSU that you require to power this graphics card to your PC is 750 watt. So it also supports DirectX 12 and OpenGL version 4.6. So this is the technical specification of this graphics card. So this concludes the unboxing of this NVIDIA 3060 Ti graphics card. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and clear skies.